Final battle.
DJ.
Drop that beat.
No. Man,
Wealthy?
I've been up here yelling
Boogie.
my life away. You know, I'm sure I lost some years with this one. All right. So if I'm gonna lose some years, I'm gonna be selfish. Take it down with me. All right. DJ.
Drop that
beat.
Go Wealthy.
Come on. Give it up. To all the competitors, not the two finalists, to all y'all came out here and did y'all thing, alright? Okay? Now without further ado, this is for all the marbles now, y'all. So we gonna ask the judges a lot, for this one, okay? So y'all with me. On the count of two, answer. And my mic cut out, that's all I'm gonna talk about. This thing is like, shut up, just shut up, I swear, just shut up, I want to go home. Okay! Crowd, you with me, right?
Yeah!
1, 2, 3! my man, Boogie B. Take him home with cash prize of $200. Shout out to Big.